If you use Firefox and you want a cleaner tab bar, this quick tutorial will show you how to hide the List All Tabs button in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to remove extra clutter from your browser and make the top of Firefox look more streamlined, especially if you prefer a minimal setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and go to the top tab bar. You want to right-click anywhere on the tab bar. When the menu appears, click Customize Toolbar. This will open Firefox's customization screen where you can change the layout of buttons and tools in your browser. Now look for the List All Tabs button. This is the small button that shows all your open tabs in one menu. To hide it, click and drag that button away from the toolbar area and drop it into the Customize Toolbar section. Once you release it there, Firefox will remove it from the main tab bar. That's it. The button is now hidden and your tab bar should look much cleaner. If you ever want it back, just return to Customize Toolbar and drag it back onto the toolbar again. This is a great little Firefox trick if you want more space and a less distracting browser layout. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.